yes, we are doing another review of a smart plug, and it's a little bit different. For one, I've never heard of the brand, Nooie, or Nooie, I don't know how to pronounce that. Let me know in the comments if you think I pronounced it right or wrong. Yeah, I'm going to pronounce it as Nooie. And also, it's just gone on sale in the UK. Link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So, they sent me this, and I need a knife. Give me a second. Right, let's get her out of the box. Should just be plugs, or look like plugs. Sent me 2 plus instructions. Oh, they're quite chunky actually. They're bigger than I thought, and they're not white. It's like I don't know, like a grey white, and you can see their name. I don't know if that'd be picked up on the camera. It said Nooie on there, and that's a white. So it's like a grey white on a white, or white on a grey white. Get it right, Yorkie. I'm guessing that's a reset button. I'll cut my finger by the way. Yeah, quite chunky. Got a QR code on the side which says, oh, hang on, it's upside down. It's got a number on it. Is it the same number on that one? No, it's a different number on that one. Okay, so that's for connectivity, I'm guessing. Okay. Yeah, quite chunky, but quite light, and you can plug in other devices, obviously, because otherwise you won't be able to use it. Let's quickly see what it says on the box. So it's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so it'll only work on 2.4. Don't try and use 2.5, or don't try and use 5 GHz Wi-Fi, or it might work on dual band, I don't know. I've got dual band turned on, so hopefully it will work. It has an app control, voice control, energy monitoring, so you can use things like Google Assist or shoes shall not be named, things like that. And this is the model NSP21 Pro. And I thought I was getting 4, but they only sent me 2. Never mind. So we have instructions and them. That is it. So with that, I am going to have a read of the instructions, see what I need to know, see what I need to download, and set it all up. There's a QR code on the back. I will use that. I'll do that right now before we do anything else. So I'll get my QR code up. Where are your QR code? Give me a Q. Roger. And should be easy enough to download. Google Play. There you go. Browse website. Oh, they've got their own app. Well, okay, install that. Got their own app. Give it a few seconds. It's not going to take that long. It's installing already. Open. Allow. Right, going to have to register. I'm going to do this bit offline, alright? Right, I've had a little play just to make sure I know what I'm doing and to give you a better experience as well. And first things first, if you've got dual Wi-Fi on, it will still connect, because I've tried it. And yeah, very pleased about that. So you plugged it in, it's raring to go. So I've got 2 plugged in at the same time. Now it's not going to install 2 at the same time. It will install 1 and then the other one afterwards. So with that, let's have a quick look at the app. So we have Cam, which is no good to us. Home. Give it a second, that's home. On home you have appliance, plug and light. We want the plug. And before I do the installation, let's have a look. We also got a thing called shop. And they've got a robot. Perhaps they'll send me a robot, that'd be good. And then your account. Like I said, I've already set mine up. Done that bit offline. Easy enough to do, by the way, very easy. Now add device, so click on add. And we want the Pro version. There, they both come up. We can only install 1 at any one time. So I'm going to do this one first. You will need to connect to your Wi-Fi and put your password in. Then go next. Give it a few seconds. Lights are flashing. I don't know which one it's connecting to. I'm guessing it's that one, but I could be totally wrong. Could be that one. There you go, sorted. Save it. Right, click on it. Go to give it a name. And I am going to call it, I'm going to call it No One, because I think it's funny. Right, No One. Yeah, save that. And that is ready to go. And it says you can use Amazon, shoes should not be named, and Google Assist. And device information, firmware, I've updated it as well, which again was quite easy to do. So that one's ready. Let's do the other one now. We need to plug that one in. We're going to call this one, add device, no 2. I know. Click on that, go through that bit again. Wait for it to pop up, click that. And job done, save it. Right, name it. That's it, simple. Right, let's go back. Right, let's turn it off. Oh, right, so the first one was that one. Turn it back on, off, on. It's got timer, so timer's perfect for things like you're coming home from work and you want to turn something on ready, like your aircon perhaps, I don't know, or your lights, it's night time, or another scenario, your kids are in bed and you want to turn off, say for instance, the TV after 9 o'clock. No, you can only watch TV till 9. After that, she goes off. Ding! Magic. Or you can do it manually, of course. What do we have? We have schedules, countdown, circulate and random. We don't want any of them, just having a look. Electricity, how much electric am I using? Well, there's nothing plugged in at the moment, but if you want to monitor your electricity, say for instance your computer, see how much electricity is burning up. Perfect. Very easy to use so far. No issues with it whatsoever. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to have a little play about of it, like turn it on and off, plug in some devices and see how much electric they're using. Say for instance my lighting, my studio light, got one up there, it's quite a powerful one actually. See how much electric that is using. So with that, I'll be back. Oh, that's not too bad. 28 or 29 watts. Wait for it. Alexa, turn on the studio lights. Voila, we have light. Now, you don't need to use them for studio lights, but you can actually use them for lamps, things like that, or maybe powering up some sort of other device. Say, for instance, your TV. It's powered off at the mains. Perfect. When you come home, you can say, turn on the lights, or turn on the TV. Yeah, brilliant. Easy to use. It was easy to connect to shoes shall not be named. And I don't need to use the app. I can just say, Alexa, turn off the studio lights. Okay. And voila. Yeah, works extremely well, as you would expect it to anyway. I just wanted to give you a scenario of what you might want to use it for. And because it's energy efficient, or it keeps an eye on your amount of power you're using, if it's turned off, it's not using any power, is it? Until you tell it to turn it on. That makes sense. Or you can just use the app. So it's off at the moment. 1, 2. Yeah, very easy to use. And the software works very easily. And I was quite impressed the fact that I'm using dual Wi-Fi and it just works. Yeah, very pleased with that. I wasn't expecting it to connect. I know some softwares don't work, but this one does, works perfectly on dual Wi-Fi. So with that, if you're thinking about buying one, check out the links in the video description. And if you like this video, consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching.